Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So, Paige is holding one of our new iPads, and these are going to be used for our new inventory system, which is going to show up today. And these things need to be locked up at night. What do we have that locks?
Our toolbox.
Our toolbox. Hell yeah. So, we're going to make a little iPad storage station using Kaizen foam from our buddies at FastCap. Alright, so we're going to measure the drawer, and we're going to cut out a piece of Kaizen foam. This will be Paige's very first FastCap project.
10 5/8. $22.
And this Kaizen foam. All right, we'll check back in. All right, you got everything we need. Kaizen knives, Kaizen marker, and T-square. So first we're going to cut out Kaizen foam to fit in the drawer. Beauty. Let's go make sure it fits. Alright, so we're using the silver Kaizen marker. Make the outline of the iPads on the Kaizen foam. Paige is a natural, it's his first one. Nice. Alright. Made our cuts, and now Paige is having his first adventure with the phone. Doing pretty good. Look what Paige made. Hell yeah. This is awesome. So our warehouse management system iPads stored away lean style. Nice. Alright, so here's our cool little iPad station in the toolbox, and I'm going to add these things in. So everything we need is all in one place. Alright, iPad station for the new inventory system. It's a highly organized day. Rickety.